Agitnada! Hi everyone! Today I will be telling you about a cultural norm that influenced Yiddish linguistics. Like many languages, Yiddish has two words for you. D when speaking in an informal setting to a child or a close family member or friend, and Eid when speaking with a stranger or with someone older than yourself. But in Yiddish, there's a third, lesser known you, and that is referring to the person when speaking to them in third person. And this is one tier up from using Eid, meaning you use it when you want to show utmost respect. Here's an example. When speaking to my grandmother, I would never say "Vos machst-di?" How are you doing in the informal tense, or "Vos macht ihr?" How are you doing in the formal tense? Instead, I'd say "Vos macht Babi?" How is grandma doing? Instead of "Wilt ihr a gläsele Wasser?" you would say "Will Zaidi a gläsele Wasser?" Would grandpa like a glass of water? Was hat die Schwieger gekocht für Shabbos? What did mother-in-law cook for the Sabbath? It's used for grandparents and the older generation, for parents and in-laws, and for important religious figures like rabbis. That was your Yiddish for today. Auf Wiedersehen!